Hello everyone. So in this video, I will let you know how to create a workflow for the WhatsApp consent to be yes. So you need to go to the automations and go to create workflow from scratch. Here trigger manually, contact page, save and continue. Then click on group 1 manually triggered only. When filter criteria is met, contact properties, create date is, you have to select known, then save. So here you have to put trigger, create date is known, and then go to the plus icon. So here you need to click on CRM and then search for edit record. Here you need to choose a property. WhatsApp consent given and choose the value to be yes and then click on save. So once you click on save, your workflow is ready. You can give name to your workflow to the WhatsApp consent to be yes like this. WhatsApp consent given yes and then save. Once you done all this step, then review and turn it on this workflow. Thank you.